In previous video, I showed you how to build this Say It app, and basically it's just a simple app where you click a
I am a
button
coder.
and it says I'm a coder. Okay, and I also showed you how to live test, so you can test your apps on the device, and you use this thing called Thunkable Live, which is an app on your phone or your tablet, and as you're working, it will run your app on there. But you really don't have the app on your device. You're really kind of emulating. You're running this Thunkable Live app, and that app knows how to run other apps. Okay, but so when you're actually done, when you finalize what you built, that's where you can actually download the actual app. So let's just say we wanted our Say It app, and this is kind of just a simple learning app. But let's say we wanted to install it on our device. Okay, and what we would do is um, we would go over to notice in my properties I've chosen the app Say It, and we go over to the properties panel, and there's an app name which is going to, by default, it's blank, so I need to type in Say It here, and then I've also need to choose an icon. Okay, and one thing I could do is just create a little icon here. I'm just going to do a screenshot of that Say It button. It's not great, but anyway, you can use any image, but you just click on the upload icon button and choose whatever image you want. I'll just choose the one I just created, and that's going to be the icon for your app. Okay, it's really important because like, look at all these are the on my iPad. So this is projecting my iPad, and notice it's got the an icon for each app and then a name. And that's what we just set for the app we just created. Okay, so we've got all the information in there. The next step is to choose download. Okay, and I've got iOS, but you could also download Android. Android actually goes pretty quick, but when you choose download iOS, you just give it an email. So I'll just give it my Gmail account. Okay, and it's going to take a while. So I'm going to click send here, and it's going to send me an email with a link that will allow me to install the app on my device. Um, okay, so I'm just going to click send. Notice it says 53 minutes, so it takes a while for it to come. So you only want to do this when you're completely done with your app.